How to add a image hover effect in Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a hover effect to the images that you are going to add in Hostinger website builder. The process is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, then you're going to head over the websites of yours. Now, if we are going to select the website, click on websites list, and then we are going to select one of the websites that we have created. So make sure that you have at least the logo of the Hostinger website builder, which is going to be this discontinued square. Click on add or edit website. And from here, wait for the editor to load up. Basically, when you are going to add an image into the Hostinger website builder, it is not going to have a hover effect. And the hover effect is going to be when you are going to move the mouse about or over the image, so it is going to put some effect. So if we are going to add a standard image, for example, or a gallery, you cannot have here a specific effect. So you are going to edit the image. You can see here that we have the styles, the actions, the animations, but we do not want the animations because it is going to be a mouse related option. So what are we going to do instead is to head over Elf site. As you can see, we have Elfsight, which is going to be a widget creator platform that will help you here to create different widgets. So we are going to head over the catalog of the Elfsight after, of course, we have signed in into our account and everything. Then we are going to select from the images. We are going to type in on the search bar image like that. And then we're going to see the photo gallery, as you can see, social sliders, and etc. We're going to select only photo gallery, and you're going to see the effect or the hover effect that we are going to search for. So you're going to see that effect on, for example, the photo shoot, I think. So let's see here if we have the hover effect. We do not have it in here, but on the, as you can see, wedding photographer, you're going to see that we have this hover effect. This is going to be called the hover effect. The changement on the photo when you are going to hover the mouse about it. So you are going to see it on also on this one, on the product photographer. So it is going to have a hover effect. So we are going to select this. You can go ahead and, as you can see here, photo gallery is reached. So we're going basically here to not increase the limit, but we're going to head over here and select our photo gallery. So this is the photo gallery. I am going to delete that widget real quick because we've had it before and we are going to create it from scratch. Select photo or product photographer. Then you can import or upload some photos as you can see, and then you're going to have it in here. So basically, let's see here if we have some photos. I think that we have some photos, but I will try to upload more. So as you can see here, we have added the photos, but we do not have the hover effect yet. And that is going to be related to the details. For example, if we're going to add the title for the specific photo, for example, this one, uh, like that, we're going to see it like this. So we are going to have it like that. Also, the category also is going to be added. For example, we can have here a description, also a link. So I'm going to head over the second photo, third, and the fourth one is the third. And as you can see, we have the photos, as you can see, hover effect. I'm going to generalize that effect or the same effect for every photo. Now, you can set up the layout. As you can see here, you can choose either it is going to be a slider, for example, a grid, or a masonry. Settings, as you can see here, we have some styles and etc. When you finish, you're going to click on publish. And finally, you are going to close and install it to your website. Copy the code, head over Hostinger, open up or add a new section. And then we're going to head over here, have this code or the embedded code added, double tap, select the content, paste your content instead, and you're going to see the widget appearing. So it will take a little bit of time to load up, but you're going to see it just like that. Basically, that was pretty much it. So this is the, as you can see, slider. And when you're going to have the specific, let's say, hover effect, you're going to save and click on preview then. So we're going to click on save, and then we are going to update the website. I would like to make sure that everything is going well in here. So we are going to click on preview, then we are going to see the effect on them. So this is the preview mode. We're going to wait for the gallery, and it is going to be like this. This is the hover, as you can see, effect. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.